Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your permalink and SEO title description using the Weebly platform. This is essential for improving your site's visibility in search engines and making your pages easier to find online. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see several options available. Locate and click on Website. This will expand a few more options underneath it, and from there, click on Edit Site. Now you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, select the one you need to work on. Once selected, look over to the right side of your screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your website where you can make all your necessary changes. On the top menu of the editor page, find and click on Pages. This will display all the pages that currently exist on your website. Browse through this list and choose the specific page you want to optimize. Once you've selected your page, click on SEO Settings. This is where the magic happens for improving your search engine optimization. In the SEO Settings panel, you'll see a field labeled Page Title. This is where you'll type your optimized SEO title. This title is what appears in search results and browser tabs, so make it clear, concise, and keyword-rich to attract the right audience. Next, move down to the Page Permalink or Page URL section. Here you'll edit the part of the URL that comes after the slash. Your goal is to make this short, simple, and keyword-based. A clean URL structure not only helps with SEO, but also makes it easier for visitors to remember and share your page. Finally, you'll see the page description field. Write a short, engaging description that's between 150 and 160 characters. This description appears in search results beneath your page title, so it should be compelling enough to encourage clicks. Make sure to add relevant keywords naturally throughout the description without forcing them in. And that's it. You've successfully edited your permalink and SEO settings in Weebly, giving your page a better chance of ranking higher in search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.